Southern steel. The floor, engine screaming, tires by the ground, rock and roll fury in every sound. Diesel storm rolling wild and free, thunder in my veins, fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. Windshield glass, another mile, another town I pass, but the rhythm of the highway never dies. I keep chasing dreams under burning skies. Diesel storm rolling wild and free, thunder in my veins, fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. Wild and free, thunder in my veins, fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. Trucker with a song to share, Southern steel rolling fast and true, trucking these highways, singing the blues, from Georgia pine to Texas fields. My life is driven by Southern steel. bound forever to Southern steel. Time. Highway rhythm like a song of mine. Engines howl like a guitar cry. Asphalt symphony beneath the sky. To the asphalt symphony. Bridges echo, tunnels roar. Every mile's a brand new score. Thunder drums in the this music's written in steel and stone, but it's the highway that I call home. rockin' rig. Rockin' red. Chrome wheels shining under desert heat, leather boots stomping to the rhythm and beat. CB crackles, stories untold. I'm the king of the highway, fierce and bold. Disappear. Every mile ahead pulls me near. Open sky calling, freedom my crown. I'll keep on riding, never slowing down. I'm the king of the highway, fierce and bold. To a neon glow, music playing, people start to show. Beer on the counter, jukebox loud, truckers and rebels, one rowdy crowd. Roadhouse lights shining on me, rock and roll trucker, wild and free. Dance floor burning, boots in flight. We'll roll till dawn in the roadhouse lights. Screams, life on the highway, chasing dreams. One last round before I go. Hit the blacktop, take it slow. Roadhouse lights shining on me, rock and roll trucker, wild and free. Dance floor burning, boots in flight. We'll roll till dawn in the roadhouse lights. Night. With every beat, steel chains rattling, shadows fall. I'm the road warrior, hear my call. Heavy load, heavy riffs, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke I drive this myth. Life is loud with heavy load and riff. Like a battle cry. Ashes fly where the blacktop burns. Another mile, another turn. Heavy load, heavy riff, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke I drive. Life is loud with heavy load and riff. shakes the ground, rig of fire, burning bright. Rock and roll thunder in the night, from coast to coast, I'll never tire. I ride forever in my rig of fire. Asphalt smoking, skies turn red. Every city knows the path I tread. Raise your hands, feel the desire. We're all alive in the rig of fire, rig of fire, burning bright. Rock and roll thunder in the night. No past, no chains, no walls to climb. The road is my rhythm, my song, my time. Got 18 wheels and a restless soul. Blues in my heart, but I'm in control. Every strum of my guitar feels right as I tear through the shadows of the night. 18 wheels of rock, rolling strong and loud, breaking every silence. I draw the crowd from truck stops to cities. I'll never stop. I ride with 18 wheels of rock. I ride with 18 wheels of rock. Freedom's a song.
with 18 wheels of rock.